students, welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 9, Tubules. Content of the session is how to update and delete elements in tubules, how to assign tuple elements, what is nested tubules. As you know, a tuple is immutable. The elements in a tuple cannot be changed. Instead of altering values in a tuple, joining two tubules or deleting the entire tuple is possible. So we cannot change, but we can join and delete. Two things are possible. Here is an example. One tuple, second tuple, and the third, it is just using a plus operator, it is joining the two values. Let's see the example here. So first tuple 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Just we are adding the tuple 1 and 2 using the plus operator and asking to print the third tuple. So it is simply adding and telling the elements. Next one is we can delete. But after deleting, if we ask you to print, it will say error because the tuple no more exists. So can you see that? After deleting, the tuple 1 is not available. So we can delete, we can join values in tubules. Next, to delete the tuple, just the keyword del followed by the tuple name. Tubal assignment is a powerful feature in Python. It allows a tuple variable on the left of the assignment operator to be assigned to the values on the right side of the assignment. It is just like a simple assignment statement, a equal to 10, like that. We can do. First, the tubules or the variables a, b, c are within the bracket, equal to 34, 90, 79 are within the bracket. So the first is given to the first variable, 34 to a, 90 to b, 76 to c. Sometimes we can have even an expression. We can have a calculation part and the result is stored in each variable. Here 2 to the power 2, so it is 4. Then 5 by 3 plus 4, so 5 by 3. So as per preference, what is done? Division is done, after that addition is done. Then 15 modulus of 2, so the remainder is 1. 14 by 2 sevens are 14, so the remainder is 1. Then it is asking a question whether 34 is greater than 65. No, so the result is false. So we learned to join two tubules and delete. So we see how to assign a variable. Simple. The variables are given within the parenthesis. Equal symbol is used and the values are given in the right side. But it should be within the bracket. So first 34, 90, 76 are printed. Next statement, the x, y, z, p. The expressions are done and the result is stored in the variable. Is it easy, children? Yes, tubules are very easy. Next, returning multiple values in tubules. A function can return only one value at a time, but Python returns more than one value from a function. How it is possible? Python groups multiple values and return them together. See, it will be very interesting. There is a function min underscore max of n, a equal to max of n, b equal to minimum of n. Return a, b. In the return there are two values. Num is a tubule. Here max of num, min of num, two variables are here, equal to the function name and the whole set of tubules are given as a parameter. So the whole set is given here. So this n is holding what? All the values 12, 65, 84, 1, 18, 85, 19. This max of n is a predefined function. So it will find the maximum number among the tubules. So it is 99. Next the minimum value is 1 and it is returning a and b. As it is coming here a and b, the first is given to the first variable max of num. So next is given to minimum of num. So see the program. So def keyword followed by a function name n. So here the up to this line it is the definition of the function min underscore max. Here after the scope there is a tubule and below that the function is called. This is the function call. Okay. In this function call the parameter is a tubule. So the num is carrying all the values of 12, 65, 84, 1, 18, 85, 99 and it is given to the value of n. So this n, here it is having all the values. Max is a predefined function. So it will find out the maximum value in the tubule. So that is 99. That is stored in A. Next the minimum is 1. That is stored in the variable B. Both the variable A and B are returned to the same location. So first value is given to the first variable here and the second value is given to the second variable. So can you get that? Are you able to understand this? So if we change the value, it will change in the output. Okay. Next one is nested tubules. In Python, a tuple can be defined inside another tuple, just like our nested loop within another loop. So tuple within another tuple. In a nested tuple, each tuple is considered as an element. The for loop will be useful to access all the elements in a nested tuple. Here, see example. This Vinodini it is a tuple. Okay, first tuple. Next one up to this Soundarya 12H and 97.5. Up to this is another tuple. This is another tuple and this is another tuple. So each one is under the name of tuples. So for I in tuples, this I will have the first value, next value and next value. So it will iterate one by one. So see the example. Tuples, first tuple, second tuple. There are 4 tupules. Then for I in tuples. So each I is going to take one tuple as an element and it is going to print. So nested tuple is very useful to fetch set of values. Try your own example at your home. So we'll have a recap. Tuples cannot be changed. Tuples can be joined. Tuples can be deleted. Tuples can be assigned and also returned. Tuples can be nested. So these things you have learned in this video, in this session. Thank you. Have a good day.